Happy New Year, everyone. Congratulations for making it this far. And today, the topic that I'll be talking on is about funding accounts. So, I'll be telling you guys the advantage of funding accounts and the disadvantage of the funded accounts. So, a funded account is like they give you like a 5k account, like a 10k account to be trading with it, then there will be a profit split of like 15 to 20%. But this profit, these funded accounts, they always have some challenges which they know they normally call them phases. So there's phase one, phase two, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get a free instant account, which is 1k instant account. So what you will do, you will go to Google Chrome. Yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button, guys. I know I've taken time with that. Uh, Going posting a video or anything, but to boost my momentum again, hit the subscribe button and I'll appreciate it. And happy new year once again. So after you go to Google Chrome, what you will type funded pips. First of all, guys, this video is not sponsored by funded pips, so help me to like tag them, help me to tag them in this video. So you write funded pips, um, funding pips, then you tap in. Help me guys to tag them, it will help. Then you press that, that's it, funded pips. You tap it. This blocker is really actually good. This is actually good. This is it. Allow all. So these are the rules of in case you want to buy. In case you want to buy, I don't want to sign in now. These are the rules. Let's first choose. Let's go. Let's assume you want to buy a 5k funded account from funded pips. So in order for you guys to get the 5k funded account to be yours, but there are these rules as I said earlier. These are the rules. So in phase one, this is phase one, phase two, then here is the master account. Yeah. So in phase one, the profit target you have to make is about $400, which is 8%. Then the minimum loss, that like once you lose that 10%, you lose the whole account. So this minimum loss is very important so that you can be whole like be on the game. So these rules I encourage you to use them because they are very good. They help you to like to not blow the account very in that very day. So these rules are very good. Some of the people may think these rules are very bad, but they're actually good. So you should not lose 10% of the 5k account or the account you are interested to buy. But in this case, we are trying to buy a 5k account. So you should not lose $500. Yeah, that's 10%. Then there's this daily drawdown. So a daily drawdown, you should not have 5% daily drawdown. Like you should not lose $250 in one day in a 5k funded account. Then the minimum trading days is 3 days. You have to be trading for 3 consecutive days. Every day, anytime you can like trade today, tomorrow you don't trade, the following day you trade a longer, it all counts. So now after you have done with the phase one, which is the student, you now go to this second phase. Go to the second phase. Where the second phase, the profit target is no longer 8%. It's no longer 8%. You need 5%, which is $250 is what you need. And everything is just the same. Yeah, so I'm not going to repeat everything again. So help me, guys. If you want to support me, tag funded pips, guys. Tag funded pips. So yeah, this video I'll be showing you guys how to get a instant account 1K, and I'm just fast diving into the funded pips. So if you watch this video till the end, you know how to get a free instant account. So now to just sign in, you can now press this, press this, then you now scroll, then you can see sign in. You can press sign in. So here will be everything, all your details, first name, second name, third name, confirmation. But there's this reference code, though it's optional. But in this video, we don't make it optional. There will be a code appearing this side, around this side. So that code is where you put it here, then now you just tick these two and you're good to go. Because for me, the reason why I'm not doing them, I've done all this process already. Then now let me just log in real quick. I'll be in now. Anytime from now I'm in. 3 seconds, let's wait. Guys, I know this is the first day of 2026, guys. So attempt funded accounts, attempt all these funded accounts, funded challenges, all of them, try them out because they'll really help you. It's just the first day, you have to try your best, yeah. And I just want to congratulate the traders who started last year and they're still in today. It's really, really very hard for a trader to hold that long without giving up. And that's the first sign that you're going to make it. So now let's go to it. Now here is the app. If you want to like buy a challenge, you can just press here. This is not the the instant account. It's not the 1K instant account. The one K instant account will come for the last people that will complete this video. So if you complete this video, you get to know how to get the 1K instant account. So you will tap like one step, you leave it there. Then now you can now choose 1K, 10K. But remember, they all have different prices. For 5K, it's $36. For 10K, it's $66. You can just check from this side. Then for 200K, it's $156. 200 dollars, then $500. So they all have different prices. So if you're like a beginner, I'll encourage you to start with a smaller one because it's easy to deal with smaller numbers than a bigger one. And we shall be doing a challenge, by the way, of passing a 5K account, and I want to show you guys how I'll pass it in this 2026. Yeah, so subscribe if you don't want to miss the series. Yeah, so that's if you want to buy, you just come and fill all of this, you buy. So now here we are on the 1K instant account. So what you will do is you look for this stuff here, you look for it, then you tap it. Then now after it tapping in, it will ask for verification. Yeah, for verification. So I'll verify it anytime from now. Give me a moment. Just give me 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Yep. Wait. Just verified it, and we go, as I was saying, we hit that back. Sorry, we hit this back. Now this is it. Now we first read the challenge phase. Okay, we read all of us. You can take a screenshot. 1K instant account giveaway, between blah blah blah, all that stuff. Now let's read the rules. The rules: maximum drawdown 5%. So if we do the math, let me help you guys do the math also. Here, where's calculator? Let's put it here. We're going to do 5%. I'm not a good mathematician, so in case you see me go wrong somewhere, 5% times 1,000. Is it like this? 1,000. So the maximum drawdown, the highest you can ever lose is $50, guys. You should never lose $50. See, this is it, guys. You should never lose $50, which is okay. If you have proper risk management, you are set. Then profit split. This is it, guys. Like now, let me quickly break down this profit split. If I make $100 per trade and I want to withdraw that $100, they will take $50 and they leave me $50. It's worth it, guys, because they are giving you the account for free, guys. It's worth it. Then there is daily loss. None, guys, like this shit is actually crazy. They don't have daily limit. This shit is actually crazy. So this is very good. So you are able to lose about $40 in one day, which I encourage you guys, do not lose it. Yeah. Then news trading. If you're a news trader like me, like I like the NFP, CPI, PPI, all those stuff. If you like them, you are allowed. You can even say allowed. So you can just enter in news, but always remember you enter 2 minutes before news or 2 minutes plus before news. So let's go to this one. So this word, the way it means, like you giving your account away for someone to trade it, that thing is not allowed. If they find out you did it, you're out. The minimum reward, like like I don't know how to actually do this. Okay, the least money they can withdraw is $50. That's the least. You can never go below that. So now, if you are using X, these are the steps we can read. Complete. Let's put complete the steps on X or Instagram to enter. Hmm? To enter. Completing both will increase the chances of winning. So, if you are an X or Twitter, formerly known as Twitter, what you will do is go follow these two people in IG. What you need, then you comment. Is it comment this? Comment favorite feature about family pips, all this stuff. You comment tag this. Then IG, you do the same, just the same things. Then you put your name here. If you are from IG, you put, then you put, yeah. So that's how you can easily win it. So now, should I fill up mine? I believe I've followed these guys. So we shall do FX. Guys, this is my IG, man. FX Nyang. But guys, I don't use this IG, I just use it to watch reels, but nothing else, guys. Nothing. So, like this, by doing this, because I've already followed this guy, I have him, I have these two people, and after I'm going to post about this thing in IG to show you guys. Oh, like the reason why it's failing for me because I think I'm already in the challenge. Yeah, I did it already, but I did it for another challenge. So this is it. So you can remove this shit. So that's how you really do it. And if you want, is it come to this? Yup. This is it. You can come and check all of this. You can say 1K free instant account. To confirm that you are in, just tap it. And you can even do it from here. But for me, it's already here. I'm just waiting just few days from now, 9 days. 9 days only left for this challenge to stop, guys. So do your best to enter the challenge before these 9 days come. Then you will either win on 9th January. That's the day the thing is ending. So I wish you luck and hit the subscribe button if you have learned something about funded pips of about funded pips, trading, funding, all of those stuff. Just hit the subscribe button. But do not forget to tag funded pips in the comment section, guys.